I can only negotiate with Homa Bay people. I represent the interests of the Homa Bay people, so the only person I can listen to are the Homa Bay people.
Mr. Kidero, for avoidance of doubt, I know you've answered this, but in a more clearer way, you call this election flawed and marred with irregularities and electoral malpractices. The question then is, what is your next course of action for an election that you believe is marred with illegalities?
Actions are prescribed in law. We will follow what the law says where you're not satisfied with an election.
Are you saying you're going to court?
Well, I think I've answered your question. And maybe to make it clearer, I will go to court.
That works.
And maybe are you calling for peace at the moment? Maybe for
peace, we've always been very peaceful. We want our people to maintain peace. We do not want, you know, if it was a question of us reacting and also meting out violence, it would have been worse. But we've always maintained a stand of peace. That's why we are here with pastors, with priests, to give thanks and basically to tell our people, keep calm,